Guys, we got the Rebels done. I want to give you guys a close-up view of everything that's really wrong with this paint-wise. It's like the factory paint job is horrible. I mean, it looks like they never even bothered wet sanding it. You can see, like right here, the guy tried to touch it up a little bit, didn't do a very good job. The frame's not bad. That looks like battery acid right there. I might respray the frame. The pipes aren't really in that good a shape. Must have fell over there at one time. It's like the engine needs polish. Like I have to take that clutch cover off. That's going to need sanded and polished. Here, let me show you the, see what I mean about the orange peel? This fell over on me when I was working on it. And you can see the little dent right there where the light's shining. And actually what it hit my truing stand there. But I'm going to, we're going to repaint this anyway. So, I mean, that little dent's nothing. I could take it out. I'm just thankful the damage wasn't worse. You know, and then as you can see, the front forks, they need sanded down a little bit and refinished. And let's see here, we can go over to the other side. I love my seat I made. So, hold on, my thumb's in the way, sorry about that. Yeah, see what I mean about the case needs taken off, it needs sanded down. I tried refinishing that with 4-aught steel wool and metal polish, and it does not get it. Probably what I'll do in the future is I'm going to replace these pipes. Yeah, see what I mean though? It's a horrible paint job they did on this. Horrible paint job. The chain's okay. But other than that, it's ready. It runs good. I cleaned the carburetor out more. I took the carburetor off. And I cleaned the carb out real good. And she's ready. I got insurance on this. I think I told you guys the insurance is like $56 a year. The insurance is real low. And now I have to go to AAA and I got to get it registered. Then I can get it inspected. Other than that, it's cool. You know, this actually has the original toolkit. It was never used. See that little, where that little keyhole is down there where it says open? That's where the toolkit is. You can put anything in there, screwdriver, the key, you turn it, that comes out, and that's where the toolkit is. I'll be honest with you guys, since I made that seat, the motorcycle's actually very comfortable right now. It actually fits me really good. Another thing I found out about this too is it has inner tubes in front and back. With this motorcycle here, since the wheels are spokes, you have to have inner tubes in the tires. And we got .5 in there. We replaced the front brakes, rear brakes, everything's cool. She's cool to go. She's ready. I don't see anything wrong with this other than the needs repainted and the cases need polished. Tires are good. Tires should pass with no problem. I mean, the tires probably need replaced next year. I think these are original tires, if I'm not mistaken. I think the tire is like 31 years old. The tires are good. Rear tire is good. I think these are called King tires, if I'm not mistaken. Kenda tires. I'll be honest with you, I never even heard of them. Never even heard of them. They're probably out of business by now. What I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to clean the wheels up a little bit. Because it's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I have nothing else to do. Okay, guys, I'll catch you all later.